What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and try to get the car assembled as much as possible. But first, I just want to say thank you to every single one of you guys. You guys have absolutely been killing it on the views and really liking the car. So I'm super stoked for that. Thank you to all of you guys. If you guys are not already, make sure to smash that subscribe, join the family, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. And with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much just set you up and let's try to get this thing put back together.
Papi Muñeños back in the house. Just kidding. We back out here. I'm tired, dude. I'm faded, bro.
Want to do me a favor?
I'm faded, bro. What you want, ugly? Hey. Just kidding, man. Hey, this guy is a god. We should all worship him and praise him. We're gonna open up a church soon. Yeah. It's gonna be called. What's it gonna be called? Pastor Louis B. Pastor Louis B.
Just finished installing the kill switch for the air ride. I don't know if you guys can hear, it's on right now. Now it's off. All with the flip of the switch, right?
Look at the flip of the switch.
Right there. So that way, it's not running and your car won't die overnight like mine and his. So now that we got that done, we're gonna go ahead and do an oil change. I'm gonna go ahead and just do all of that off camera, and then since it's later in the day now, I'm gonna pick up the camera tomorrow and we're gonna go ahead and finish spraying all of this. We're gonna get it installed, then we'll move the car forward and we'll get the rear bumper installed. almost finished up with the car. There's still some details and everything that we have to work out, but for the most part, the car is together, and oh my God, guys, this thing looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, I tried to capture it the best that I can through that little cinematic, but words or video, I feel, does zero justice on how clean this thing actually looks in person. Just do a quick little walk around. It's so clean. Like, oh my God. It looks so good, guys. I love the rear end. I think the rear end is really sick, especially with the white that I added. It kind of just gives it that cool little touch. But oh, I can't get over this, guys. Like, I honestly can't even believe that this is my car. This thing has completely transformed. So we have pretty much everything done and on the car. A few things that I still have to do is touch up the trimming on here and on the other side, get all the overspray off on the car, clean up the whole car, clean the interior, stuff like that. A few little button up pieces, but nonetheless, guys, here it is. I seriously am just like, wow, this thing has completely transformed. All right, guys, we got the car pulled back inside. Let's go ahead and just quickly look at it one more time outside of the sun. It's so clean. Like, I seriously really do love it. Everything really pulls together. At first, it was just like so much white, but once we got the wheels on, the headlights back on, the mirrors, the trim, the tail lights, everything kind of just flowed so well. I'm super happy, super thankful for this to be my car. It's absolutely just unreal. I super love it. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I just, oh, it's so good. So clean, and there's so much more to come as well. So guys, if you're not already, please smash that subscribe button. I'm really trying my hardest to grow the channel, and hopefully this does it for you guys to kind of get you a little bit on board. And I promise there are some really good things to come in the future. But on some of those things, I do need your guys' help by hitting that thumbs up and subscribing if you're not already. And just stay tuned, guys. So much good stuff to come. We still have a little bit more detail work to do to get it ready for the 3rd. I'm taking it to its first event. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to show this thing off. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, a couple more details. And then after the event, I think is when we'll probably just hop back on it and start kind of getting some more mods done. There's a few things I still want to do: interior, trunk, engine bay, underglow, all of that kind of good stuff. So there's definitely a lot more I want to do to this car, especially performance as well, exhaust, all of it. So stay tuned for it. Hit that bell notification. And one thing I want you guys to do, comment down below. Let me know, what is your guys' favorite thing on the car? The hood is not closed, so bear with me on that. But is it the front end and just how clean and crisp it looks? Is it the overall car? I don't know. Is it the rear end with those nice taillights, the blacked out, the white, the center exit exhaust, the wing, everything? Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. For me, if I could, 2 things is the front and rear. I love how good and clean the front end looks with that color matched front grille. But I think for me, it's probably the rear end. I think the rear end just looks really good. But comment, let me know what you guys think overall, your favorite part, all of that good stuff. And stay tuned, guys. I hope to catch you on the next one. Till next time, guys, as always, peace out.